Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to show you what I did with those little monsters I made with the scrap pieces of strips like these. If you remember, I'll link that video here so you can check it out. But I just took a bunch of scraps like these and glued them down and then added some googly eyes. And those monsters, I ended up turning them into cards. So here they are. Just trying to use up stuff in my stash. So this ink I got from a Stampin' Up kit a while ago. These Mickey ears I got from the last convention I went to a couple years ago. This background piece came in a postcard type of deal, like this. That's that. And the googly-eyed monster that I added to him. So that one, here's another one. And the sentiment just says there's a scare in the air. So I layered a few pieces of paper here. And then the last one just says if the shoe fits, with the kitty cat. So yeah. There's another share for my, or another project for my 31 days of Halloween. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for joining us. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on my crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.